there, whānau. I'm so excited to see you. Oh, those puawa nui mean it's Toi Time. All aboard, the fun is about to begin.
Toi Time!
Kia ora, ko Riki tōku ingoa, and welcome to Toi Time. Do you like my boat? Oh, it's a waka, and it's powered by me and my muscles. I can't wait to see my friends, and I bet their boats are amazing. Kia ora, Maya.
Tēnā koe, Riki. Do you like my boat? It's a sailboat and it's powered by the wind.
Whoa, it's very tall.
Thanks, Riki.
Kia ora, Jojo.
Kia ora, Riki. Kia ora, Maya.
Kia ora, Jojo.
Do you like my boat? It's a motorboat. It's powered by an engine.
It's very fast. Ooh, Titiro, did you notice something? All our boats are kind of different.
You're right, Riki. Mine has a sail.
Mine has an engine.
And mine has a hoy. Hey, Mōhio, what is a boat?
Kia ora, Riki. A boat is a small vessel for travelling by water.
Like lakes, rivers, and the moana.
Aye, boats can be powered by different things. People power, wind power, or engines that move the boat by turning a propeller in the water.
Well, it looks like boats come in all shapes and sizes.
But mine is the fastest. Hey, we should have a race.
Great
Let's
idea.
do it.
But first, I need to finish decorating mine. I like to travel in style.
See you at the big race.
We'll set sail out across the ocean, sail out across the sea, sail out across the ocean. What a big adventure for you and for me. We'll set sail. Some boats are really small, some boats are really big, some boats for having fun, some boats for catching fish. Take care around the waves, don't ever go alone. Life jackets nice and tight, anchors up, and here we go. We'll set sail out across the ocean, sail out across the sea, sail out across the ocean. What a big adventure for you and for me. We'll set sail. Some boats are really fast, some boats are really slow, some boats for saving lives, some get you where you need to go. Take care around the waves, don't ever go alone. Life jackets nice and tight, anchors up, and here we go. We'll set sail out across the ocean, sail out across the sea, sail out across the ocean. What a big adventure for you and for me. We'll set sail out across the ocean, sail out across the sea, sail out across the ocean. What a big adventure for you and for me. We'll set sail.
Kia ora. I'm just putting the finishing touches on my boat. Oh, Riki, can I get your help, please?
Oh, of course, Maya.
Could you hold the stern of the waka, please?
Stern. What's the stern?
Oh, the stern is the back of a boat, and the front of a boat is called the bow. I'm decorating my boat with hearts because I love, 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 love sailing on the water. What do you think, Riki?
Ooh, red one.
Oh, hands on the stern, please.
Hey, Maya, what kind of vegetable do you never want to see on a boat?
I don't know.
A leek.
Good one. Right, there you go. All done.
Your boat looks in ship shape and ready to race. But looks aren't everything, Maya. My waka is faster than yours.
Kia ora, and welcome back to the big boat race for the Toi Time Cup. Ready?
Ready!
Steady! Go! And they're off. Maya's off to an early lead thanks to a strong wind.
Tēnā koe, tāwhiri mātea. Wow! I'm actually winning.
Oh dear, the wind has dropped. Maya's sail has flopped and her boat has stopped.
Oh, no.
Now Jojo is in front in her motorboat.
I'm winning!
Oh no! It looks like she was too excited about the race and Jojo forgot to put petrol in her tank.
Oh,
Now Riki takes the lead.
I'm winning!
He doesn't need wind or an engine to make his waka move. Riki is about to cross the finish line. What's Riki doing? He's stopped. No one saw this coming. Oh, Riki is waiting to help his friends. What a show of my favorite kind of ship, sportsmanship.
Hi, and mate. We can cross the finish line together.
oh, thanks, Ricky.
Ngā mihi kia koe, Riki. Oh,
Hooray! They are all winners. The Toi Time Cup is now everyone's cup. Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzzer Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm experimenting with things that either sink or float. Make sure you get into the pool nice and safely. If you're swimming in a pool, make sure you have an adult to supervise you. First up is our mako. Will it sink or will it float? What do you think, cuzzies? All right, let's try it out. Te rua toru. It floats! The mako floats! Yee-hee! Now, for our second experiment, our dinosaurs. Will they sink or float? What do you think? Let's try it out! Te rua toru. They sunk! No! Next is our piece of rako. Will it sink or will it float? What do you think? Let's try it out! Te rua toru. It floats! For our fourth experiment, my awesome jet plane. Well, will it sink or will it float? We're gonna find out! Te rua toru. It floats as well too! All right, for our next experiment, let's go! Te rua toru. That one sinks! Oh my goodness, I can see it getting to the bottom of the pool! Now, for our next experiment, the monster truck. Will it sink or will it float? Can you guess? All right, let's see what happens. Te rua toru, go! The monster truck sunk all the way to the bottom of the pool. I've lost it! For our final experiment, our precious tonga. Will it sink or will it float? You're about to find out. Can you guess which one it is? Let's see! Te rua toru, go! Oh, the tonga sunk all the way to the bottom of the pool. Oh, that's gonna be like a little treasure that we can find later. Awesome! Cuzzies, I've got one more thing to show you. It's the most amazingest thing I might have ever built in my whole entire life. I built a little makeshift boat. Check this out. Check it out! Ko te hau te waka. This is my waka that I made out of heaps of recycled materials. Check it out. It's got a little balloon as a motor, and I've even put some people in there so that they can enjoy the ride. Tai, rua, toru, wha, haere. It works! Ka kite anō, my cuzzies.
Kia tere, Oma. I race you to Matua Manu's fishing boat.
Whoa, tai hoa, Wolfie. I think you've forgotten something.
No, I've got my lucky fishing rod.
Well, what about your lucky life jacket?
Life jacket?
Yeah, because if you accidentally fall into the water, a life jacket helps you float and keeps you safe.
But I passed my swimming test. I've got a medal and a certificate.
Well, even if you're the best swimmer in the whole entire world, you should wear a life jacket when you're on the boat. Oh, you're very precious to me, Wolfie, and I'd like to keep you safe.
Oh, thank you, Oma.
You're welcome, Wolfie. Last one to Matua Manu's fishing boat is a rotten fish.
Hey, wait for me.
Kia ora, my Peewari friends. Teddy and I are rocking and rolling on a boat. I love being out on the moana, the sun on my face, the wind in my hair, and the gentle rocking of the boat on the water. What's that, Teddy? Oh, my dear. My Teddy has a funny feeling in her puku and she's a bit dizzy. But luckily, my nanny taught me what to do when this happens. Okay, focus on something that doesn't rock and roll, like the horizon. That's the line where the sea meets the sky. See, Teddy? Look. Sometimes lying down or changing the way you're standing can help as well. Yeah. Boop. A snack and a cold drink might help settle her puku as well. That better? And lastly, fresh air. Breathe in and out slowly. Do you feel a bit better now, Teddy? Ka pai. Ka kite anō! Woo!
Kia ora, Buzz. You got here fast.
I caught the ferry.
Oh, what's the ferry?
Oh, a ferry is a huge ass boat that can take lots of people from one place to another. It's like a bus on the ocean. Hey, I got a ticket and everything. Hey, Ricky, what sort of stories do you hear on boats?
What sort of stories do you hear on boats?
Fairy tales? That joke really floats my boat. Hey, let's go! It's Takara time!
Yeah, come on.
Okay, whānau, this game is called Aye Aye, Captain. I'm the captain. You can tell by my cool ass captain hat. And the captain gives orders to the crew. That's you.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Ka pai. But first, I need to know that you have what it takes to be Captain Buzz's fearless crew. Quick, scrub the deck.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Climb the rigging.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Get in there. Get in there. Salute the captain.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Woo! Congratulations! You have passed the test and you are now my crew and it's time to play! I've marked out our 4 corners. Raki,
North,
Rāwhiti,
East,
Tonga,
South,
and Hoauru.
West.
Now, when Captain Buzz calls out a direction, you have to run there as fast as you can. And if you go in the wrong way, you're out. Ready?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Raki!
Aye, aye, Captain.
Ka pai! Rāwhiti!
Aye, aye, Captain.
Oh, sorry, Ricky. You're out. Now, Tonga!
Aye, aye, Captain.
Ka pai! Hoauru!
Aye, aye, Captain.
Ka mau te wehi, JJ! You're the winner! Now, you get to be the captain and we can keep playing.
Pōtai, please, Buzz.
Oh, no, sorry, Jojo. You can be the captain, but you can't have my hat. I didn't wash my hair this morning.
Oh.
A skiddly wah, a skiddly woo. Ooh, a skiddly wah, a skiddly woo. A boat does float, a float does boat. But can a goat float on a boat? Skiddly woo, skiddly wah. A boat does float. I love to dote on my boat, wearing my new coat. A float does boat. I love to gloat and sing a note. Oh yeah. Scoodly boo wah. A boat does float. I float in a moat. I love to gloat about my boat. A boat does float, a float does boat. I love to gloat, I love my boat. Skiddly. Wow, that's jazz.
We're exploring at the beach. We wait for the tide to go out to go exploring. I like finding crabs. I found a big one. A crab. The anemones suck onto my finger. It feels funny. I like to look under rocks. I found 2 giant claws. We squish our feet in the mud. It feels kind of like goo. We got our feet stuck. I love playing in the gooey mud and finding crabs. We found a big one. I hope it doesn't bite me. We put them back in their homes. We all have a picnic break. After a snack, we go back to exploring. My mum comes too. We love exploring at the beach. Bye!
Hoi! 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 Hoi!
Did you know that the Maori people were amazing at building canoes, sailing, and finding their way across the sea. A long time ago, our ancestors travelled on these special canoes called waka. They sailed across the vast ocean for weeks and weeks. Whoa. Luckily, the waka was big enough to carry lots of people and lots of kai. And whenever they got lost on the high seas, they used the sun, the moon, nature, and the stars to guide their way. All the way to Aotearoa.
Ki te hoi. Ai. Hoi. Hoi.
One day my papa sailed in his waka. Through the moana he would row, row, row. One day my papa sailed in his waka. Across the Pacific he would go, go, go. Aotearoa, everybody sing along to the song. Oh, my whakapapa from my papa on the waka is where I belong. One day our papa sailed in their waka. Through the moana they would row, row, row. One day our papa sailed in their waka. Across the Pacific they would go, go, go. Aotearoa, everybody sing along to the song. Oh, our whakapapa from our papa on their waka is where we belong. Aotearoa, everybody sing along to the song. Oh, our whakapapa from our papa on their waka is where we belong. Oh, our whakapapa from our papa on their waka is where we belong.
Kia ora, and welcome to
Letter of the day.
today's letter is B. We've got 10 seconds to find something beginning with the letter B. Got it? Oh, would you like to count us down, please, Mōhio?
Ready and toru, rua, tahi, timata. Tekau, iwa, waru, tetsu, ono, rima, pā, toru, rua, tahi.
Ooh, what did you get that starts with the letter B?
I got a ball,
Oh,
a bulldozer, and a bird.
whoa.
What did you find?
Oh, I got a butterfly and a book.
Hey, but that's only two things that start with the letter B.
Plus my best friend Buzz, who likes to boogie.
Let's boogie, bestie!
And that concludes our letter of the day.
We're going to do the Finding Nemo musical. The character I played is Dory.
I play the part as Gary.
I play Marlon as Nemo's dad.
Can I get the sharks on stage, please?
Corey plays Bruce the Shark because he is a very interesting character.
We got loads of lines to learn.
I have 15 strips for my character.
And lots of accents to learn as well.
Today we're going to do our opening number.
I love being in whānau plays.
We're all practicing together.
We give each other positive feedback.
We all worked together and we're doing a really perfect job.
My motto is stay cool, have fun, never give up.
It's going to be very great and I'm really excited for it.
Being in a drama production is my favorite.
All right, give yourselves a round of applause.
Hi there, I'm Frank, and welcome to Story Time. This is a story about a boat race. It was a festive day in fabulous Wellington as the city celebrated the Chinese Dragon Boat Festival. On the waterfront, there was a big party where families gathered to watch the dragon boats race on the moana. The long boats were carved with ferocious dragon heads and painted in brilliant shades of colour. A team of paddlers sat inside each boat, led by a drummer who beat a steady rhythm. Boom, 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 boom. Jean and her best friend, Marama, cheered from the shore, clapping for their favourite dragon boats. But out on the water, there came a big shout as another boat joined the festivities. Though it didn't have a dragon head, it was just as long and carved in the curling Maori patterns. The paddling teams were enthusiastically singing a waiata. A waka, shouted Marama, jumping up and down in excitement. Side by side, the waka paddled with the dragon boats in a friendly race. Wow, gasped Marama, caught up in the thrill of the contest. Ka yao, called Jean, encouraging all the paddlers to give their all. The waka was neck and neck with the fastest dragon boat. They approached the finish line. They crossed the finish line. It was a tie. One day, I want to paddle in a dragon boat and in a waka, said Marama. Me too, agreed Jean. They're different, but both special. The friends had a lovely time watching the dragon boats and waka that afternoon, celebrating all the ways that their differences made them special. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kani kai